How to identify a faulty CV joint. CV joint stands for constant velocity joint. The inner CV joint connects the gearbox to the driveshaft, while the outer CV joint connects the driveshaft to the wheel. They transfer torque to the wheels, allowing them to move up and down. CV joints ensure a smooth ride and precise steering. Signs of an outer CV joint problem. Outer joints are attached directly to the wheel hub. The main symptom of failure is a rhythmic clicking sound. Most often heard when turning and accelerating. Subscribe to the channel. To check this, find an empty car park. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left or right and drive slowly in a circle. If it sounds like a metal woodpecker, the joint is probably bad. Try both directions to see which side is complaining. Signs of inner CV joint failure. Inner joints are located closer to the gearbox. They compensate for suspension movement. They don't usually click when they fail. If the car shudders during acceleration, check the inner joints first. The vibrations often disappears the moment you lift your foot off the accelerator pedal. Signs from related parts. Not every noise is a failing CV joint. A constant humming noise is usually a wheel bearing. A heavy thud over bumps is likely a suspension bush. Even a loose engine mount can feel like a drivetrain jerk. Always double check the cause before buying expensive parts. Visual inspection. Time to get a torch and look under the car. Check the rubber boots, also known as gaiters. If the boot is split, grease can escape and grit can get in. Look for thick black gunk splattered inside the wheel arch. Grab the drive shaft and give it a firm wiggle. There should be almost no play, either up and down or during rotation. Disassembling and inspecting internal parts. A CV joint contains balls and tracks. They must be smooth and clean. Worn tracks exhibit pitting and deep grooves. If no critical signs of wear are found, the joint can be reassembled. In this case, replace the grease and install a new boot. Checking boots during maintenance can save you a fortune. Have you ever had a drive shaft snap on the road? Or perhaps you have a trick for swapping the joints quickly. Tell us your stories in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay safe on the roads.